This old guy DIY life hack has to do with replacing the windshield wipers on a 2013 Chevrolet Impala. So I've never had any problems with the windshield wipers, but on one of my other vehicles they failed, and as I started doing research on different brands and sizes and whatever, people said that I believe the spec from the factory is a 22-inch on the driver's side and a 21 on the passenger side. And what we're going to try to do is put a 24-inch on the driver's side and a 22-inch on the passenger. So basically people commented that it doesn't get the whole windshield and it can be a problem during winter specifically. So we're just going to see if these actually fit and if they offer any performance improvements. If you saw my other video, the first thing you want to do is put down your towel so that just in case the spring-loaded mechanism slaps into your windshield, you don't destroy your windshield during the process. And then I believe this is going to be similar to the other vehicle, in which there's just a little tab in here that you push down and then you pull the old one off. This wiper was just like the one on the Yukon, so there's just that little tab and you press that in and then pull the wiper off. There's the old one. Here's the new 24-inch Bosch A, and for this one we are using the 24A and the 22A. I was told you should get the 22B, but I couldn't find any on Amazon at the time, so we're going to try the A and see if any of this works, if it makes a difference, if it's a total fail, and we'll report back. There's the 24-inch blade installed. Looks like it has nice clearance on everything, so I am encouraged and think that that might actually work. So now we'll go on the other side. Again, this was originally a 22, now a 24. That is a 21 over there, and we're going to replace it with a 22. And again, if you've never used these Bosch Icon, you're just going to pinch up here at the textured part. That opens up, and then you'll just put it onto the hook. And it only goes one way, and you'll only hear the pop and hear it seated one way, so it shouldn't be too difficult. This one is a little sketchier, so there's just the teensiest bit of clearance there with the 22 between. Oh, I guess I can move that. Alright, maybe if I move that, it won't be an issue. So that should be good. So we've got the 22 on the passenger side, the 24 on the driver's side. We'll just back the vehicle into the driveway and try with the windshield wiper fluid and see if it adds any improvement. But basically, guys on the forums, 10 years ago when this car came out, said the windshield wipers suck. They leave a bunch of the stuff at the top. They don't get it, and especially in winter. So we'll see if by adding an additional 3 inches of wiper blade effectively, if it makes a difference. Also, we're going from whatever, I don't know if this is OEM or cheap Walmart, but I've had the vehicle for about 2 years and 50,000 miles, and this is the first time I'm changing the windshield wipers, so we should see an improvement regardless. So looking at it, everything seems as though it's working well, and you can see a noticeable improvement in how high up on the windshield these things are able to get. So I guess in this case, the extra 3 inches does make all the difference. Thanks for watching.